Hi, this is Jennifer with the New Home Experts, and today I am visiting the Pulte community of Incline, which is all single story. They're anywhere from 2,300 to 2,900 square feet here in the Gardengate community of Ascension. Now, there's only 119 lots total that are being built in this community, and they are about 80% sold. And most of the home sites that have been purchased here have been essentially a bidding war. Now, there is an opportunity, if you are interested, to actually get a beautiful home here in Incline and not have to go through that bidding war process. I know you're going to want more information on that, so stick around. Let's get started right now. So right now we are standing in the Pulte model here at Incline. This is the Gardengate. This is actually the smallest floor plan that they are building out here. This particular model has been built in other places. And again, this is one of the 4 floor plans that they are building out here out of, again, 119 lots. The HOA for Ascension and for Summerlin is going to be $320 per month. And they are building a 12,000 square foot clubhouse that will accommodate essentially all of the homeowners here at Ascension. So one of the things I mentioned just as we started this video is what are the opportunities here as far as not having to get into a bidding war on some of these lots, which again can be pretty intimidating, and there is a way around it. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the 2 models that are available that are spec homes, meaning that the builder has already selected the lot and all of the structural options as far as those particular home sites. Those home sites are now available for purchase without a bidding war. And those are the Cesena and the Genoa Floor Plans. We're gonna go take a look at those, and I'll talk to you a little bit more about the availability and the pricing on those available lots. And again, this is at time of filming. I am expecting that they are going to go pretty quickly. This neighborhood is the smallest floor plans out of everything here at Ascension. So they've been really, really popular also because they're single story, and honestly, they're just great floor plans. So let's go take a look at the Cesena and the Genoa floor plans, and I'll tell you a little bit more about what's available for each. Okay, so first we're going to go take, oh my goodness, it is windy out here. We're going to take a look at the Genoa floor plan, which is 2,656 square feet. And this is actually pretty neat because this is the first time that you are seeing this floor plan. This one had not been built elsewhere, but Peter is going to walk away from me. So this way, Peter, we're going to go check out this model now. And again, I'm going to share with you the details of those home sites that would be available for purchase. Hello and welcome to the Genoa floor plan. This is 2,656 square feet. And what's kind of neat is this model is actually brand new for Ascension. So the other 3 floor plans, the Parklane, the Gardengate, and the Cesena, have all been built in other locations throughout our valley. This one is brand new for Ascension. I absolutely love this floor plan. I think they did a beautiful job. I mean, this kitchen is absolutely gorgeous. Of course, the finishes that were chosen as well really make a statement. And I just love the additional counter space, goes all the way to the very end here. Just amazing for entertaining. I love all of the light fixtures they've done and the furniture in here. Okay, yes, I love this model. And what's so great, again, about this particular floor plan is that there are 2 available that are considered spec homes and that would be currently available to purchase. Anything that we are discussing right now, for argument's sake, would be done by the summertime, so sometime between June and August of 2025. But look how, I mean, that light fixture, I think that's amazing as well. I just really like how this floor plan lays out. Now over here, the primary bedroom is absolutely beautiful. Let's go take a look. Now I think this primary feels very spacious. One of the things I really like is that there is a walkout to the exterior, and I love these huge panel doors. They're just really, it makes it feel much more open. Of course, they did a beautiful design. I love all the gold accents in here, but in general, the space is really nice. The ceilings are super high, which really makes it feel spacious. Oh my gosh, this bathroom, holy cow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Just a really gorgeous statement tub right here in the middle. And what I really actually like about this tub is that it's not really small, right? So you could actually, I'm not gonna get in the tub, but it is like a good sized tub. You could actually comfortably take a soak in here. I love, of course, these separate sinks. I think they did a beautiful job with the vanity. Oh, wow. Pretty good sized closet. That's always important to me. So this is really nicely done as well. And I'm going to share with you some details about those available home sites. Okay, so now for the Genoa floor plan, we have 2 that are currently available. And again, this would mean that the home site, essentially the lot has been chosen, the floor plan obviously has been chosen, the elevation, and a lot of your structural options, and even some of the internal options that are actually selected for the home. Now the 2 that they have available, both of them are priced over $2 million. Reminder, the base price of this home is $1,385,990. So of course that would be currently the base price of both of those homes. They have lot 86 available and lot 32. So lot 86 and 32, by the way, are both have a $500,000 lot premium on both of those floor plans and both of those home sites, excuse me. So both of them, lots 86 and 32, both have a $500,000 lot premium. Now the difference is going to be in the upgrades. So lot 86 has 187,800 as far as your options that have been selected, and lot 32 is at 164,30 as far as the options that have been selected there. One thing I do want to mention is that I did have a client that did purchase a Parklane floor plan that was a spec home, just like these are, and we were able to negotiate off of that lot premium price. So again, it's important to be working with somebody, important to be working with a new home expert and someone that can really help you navigate how to go ahead and purchase some of these gorgeous brand new homes. But again, instead of bidding, we were able to negotiate down that actual lot premium, which was huge because obviously it brought down the overall cost of that beautiful Parklane home that they did purchase. So last one we're going to go look at is the Cesena model. It is the only 4-bedroom model, and it does have just over 2,800 square feet. They actually do have 3 available that would be spec homes. So let's go take a look at the model and I'll share with you those details on those 3 available lots. Hello and welcome to the Cesena model. I always wonder if I'm saying that correctly. I might not be. This is 2,875 square feet, and the base price for this model right now is $1,420,990. So that is the base price, and that would be the base price on all of the 3 that are currently available, which I will share with you a little bit more detail. Let's come in and take a look at the house. It is, all of the floor plans that they did out here are beautiful. Again, this is just under 2,900 square feet. I love how open this is. Check out these ceilings. If you go up, Peter, take a look at these sloped ceilings. I think they did a really neat job of this. And this is going to be per plan as far as what elevation you have, as far as what that looks like. I absolutely love these beautiful doors to the exterior. It is a little chilly today and super windy, so we are not going to go outside because it's really hard to hear my voice when you go outside. I mean, gorgeous kitchen. Gosh, this island is huge. And then I also love, they've got a really nice pantry in here as well. Lots of space. And then one of the things I love is the primary bedroom is over here. And that's separate over here. Come take a look. And again, this isn't a huge primary bedroom, but the ceiling height really just makes it feel really spacious. Obviously, they put a beautiful fireplace in here as well, which really makes it nice. And then one of the great things about this particular home is they do have an optional guest suite that was done for this floor plan. I really want to show you that because it's just a really nice aspect of how this floor plan lays out. So back out in the main area, we're now gonna go take a look at this beautiful suite. I love all the woodwork that they did in this model as well. Now take a look at this. I mean, this is perfect for, you know, a longtime guest. Peter, I think you would probably really like this room as well for you. I love that it has its own living area. Obviously, you've got your bedroom here. It's really like a studio apartment. And then, of course, this is the bathroom with a nice big shower and then a walk-in closet. So really just a great space. I also really like that it's pretty far removed from the primary suite, which is on the other side of the home. But what's also nice over here is that you still have an additional bedroom. This is just done really well. So here you have a powder. Look at those faces. And then here is another bedroom with a walk-in closet. And then there's another bathroom over here too. So there's just really space for absolutely everybody. And this is done as a full bath as well. And then back out to the main living area. One of the things I wanted to share with you was there's also this really nice den. So back over here by the primary, you have this really nice office space. So how great is this? And right now, again, we have 3 options for this particular floor plan. Let's go out to the main area and I'll share with you all of the details of those 3 available lots. Okay, one of the really important things that I wanted to be clear about is most of the home sites that have been released here have been going to some sort of bidding war, where literally you're bidding on a home site, you're bidding on that lot premium, and sometimes you're going to be paying quite a bit more than the actual original lot premium with all the different bids that are coming up. So how do you avoid that? So here in this particular floor plan, I did mention there are 3 home sites right now at time of filming. They are lots 84, 94, and 89, and I'm going to actually put a map up here so you can see the different available lots. And now 2 of those home sites are under 2 million. So home site 94 is 1.791960. I'm going to do the breakdown for you right here with your base price, your lot premium, your options, and then of course the final price of that home. And then lot 84 is 1.866230. Again, I'm going to share with you the base price, the lot premium, the home site that as far as the options they put in so far, and again what your price is. The last one that they currently have available is over 2 million, and the reason why is it's a higher lot premium and quite a bit more as far as the options go, and that one is 2.151664. Same base price, but your lot premium is $450,000 and your options that they did are $280,000. So all of these are currently available. If you do want more details, I have all of the details. So if you want to find out every single home site and then as far as what is in each of those homes, I have all of that information. Please make sure to get in touch with me at the number below so we can book a call and talk about the available home sites for this particular floor plan to see which one works best for you. So thank you so much again for watching our video. I hope you found all of this information helpful. Summerlin, again, 35 years right now for 2025. And there's really, I mean, it's going to be a really busy year for Summerlin as far as new home construction. So the opportunity to purchase something here in Ascension is going to be limited, especially for Incline. Now, if you'd like more information about the available homes, you can find those details in our blog at thenewhomeexperts.com. Thanks again so much for watching our video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.